families. So, medyo nakabinbin, but I was informed yesterday that maybe the President will sign it on Monday. So, I decided only that 6,574 will be deployed for April, May, and June. So, yung na-deploy yung January, continuous pa rin sila until June with salary grade 15 transfer of 30,000 plus a month. But if the GAA or the budget will be released or approved this coming Monday, all of the 17,000 nurse deployment in the public will be appointed as regular in their position. So naka-ready na po yun, and we are accepted with the COMELEC Bank. Okay? So that will be the assurance that I can give you. Because the salary is in the miscellaneous fund, which I will request to the DBM once the GAA will be signed by the President. Kasi I'm flooded with question and answer in my chat book, chat messenger. Ang dami. Okay? So ano na raw, yeah, I understand your predicaments, but anong magawa ko? Nangolekta na ako ng ibang pera na ini-realign ko para pang-sweldo sa mga nurses natin, pero gagamitin na ng ibang programs, most especially that we have an outbreak with measles. So ganun po. So further, HRH distribution will be made more equitable by providing competitive compensation and better working conditions, especially in the underserved areas that needs HRH most. So we are given until 2020 to regularize all our job orders in the Department of Health, together with those job orders in our hospitals. Because last Thursday, as I signed the new standards for hospital beds from 200 to 1,005, we already submitted it to DBM for